Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files on Google Drive. First of all, you have to go to Google search and you type in drive.google.com. Right, and that's what's gonna pop up on your computer screen, and you're going to click on New. As you see here, you see several options, but you want to upload a file. So you go to click on Upload File. You see it takes you to your desktop, and then you click on where the files that you want to upload, whether it's a PowerPoint or videos and so on and so forth. So I'm going to choose here what I want to upload. Let's say I want to upload something like right, maybe Padlet. Okay, this PowerPoint. I click on it and I click on Open. Okay, so as you can see here, it shows that the PowerPoint that I just uploaded has completed. So that's awesome. Now what I want to do, because that PowerPoint I want to send it to a friend via email, so I will go to my emails. Okay, first of all, this wasn't here, so I click on create an email. Okay, that pops up, and then I say I want to send an email to Edward. Okay, and then I say it's PowerPoint. But in your case, maybe you want to send a video and so on and so forth. So PowerPoint. Okay, and because I already saved upload that file on Google Drive, so instead of doing it as an attachment, sometimes it doesn't work. Like Thomas, we talked about wanting to send your videos and it doesn't want to work, so that's why we go for an option of Google Drive. So now I'm going to Google Drive because that's where obviously I uploaded my PowerPoint. And let's see if I find my PowerPoint. Yeah, there it is, Padlet. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, and say insert. Okay, there you go, Padlet. And so now it's actually here as a link. So when I send it to Aune Edward, okay, I send it via email. That's it. Okay, share with one person, yes. 10 link shared on. Okay, I can do that as well. It's okay. If you want, for example, on anyone to to open that link, if they get it, then you can click there. Otherwise, just to that person. So I choose only to that person. Then I say send. Okay, it's gone. So when that person receives that email, it's basically just gonna come as a link, and then they click on that and then they see. So that's basically how to send how to upload files on Google Drive, and how to send videos or PowerPoints or whatever file that you want to send via Google Drive. Attach it as on Google Drive. Thank you. I hope this is helpful. If there's anything else that you want me to explain or it's not clear, please let me know. Thank you.